joint pain or muscle pain, you can take Panadol or paracetamol and you should be okay. And that's just the body's sign to show that yes, the body is building immunity towards the COVID-19 virus, okay? After you receive the vaccine today, you will be observed for 15 minutes. The reason for that is to see if there's any allergic reaction to the vaccine. Now, if you have any allergies to the components of the vaccine, you will not be allowed to take the vaccine today. If you are allergic to penicillin, if you have any food allergies, sulfur, aspirin, you can still go ahead and take the vaccine. Before it is administered, you will be indicated to say what are your allergies, okay? Alright. Now, let's say after you take the vaccine, right, and you're at home and you're not feeling well, you feel faint or lightheaded, shortness of breath, you're wheezing, you have any swelling or stomach pain, it is recommended that you can call your doctor and visit the hospital, and that's the accident and emergency section of the hospital, okay? Alright, so as indicated before, the vaccine does not prevent you from getting COVID-19. It just reduces the severity. So, we encourage you to still continue to wear your mask, covering your nose and your mouth, physical distancing, and proper hand washing and or sanitization, okay? Alright, now just a note as well, and you can see it in the brochure as well. If you are supposed to receive another vaccination, let's say a flu shot, right? You will have to wait at least 14 days of receiving this vaccine before you can receive the other. Alright? Who have underlying issues such as high blood pressure, diabetes, heart condition, you can go ahead and receive the vaccine, okay? Persons who are pregnant or breastfeeding, they can receive the vaccine as well, okay? Allergic reaction to the vaccine after the first dosage, you will not be able to take the second dosage, and it is not recommended that you take another vaccine. Alright, is that clear? So that's after taking the first dosage of the vaccine and you're allergic, you will not be able to take the second dosage, and it is not recommended that you take another vaccine. Alright? Any questions? Alright. And anyone did any exercise this morning? Just a little walking, a little stretching. You drank your water, keep hydrated. Everyone did that this morning? Alright, so that's just an everyday practice to keep healthy and fit. Eat your fruits and your vegetables. Remember to do a little exercise, right? And of course to drink your water, okay? Alright, so you have a good day, alright?